Say hello to TRIKENSTEIN. Not something you would typically see here at Coastal Speed, but we know the owner. They asked us to do them a favor and get this thing running. It's got a flathead V8 on it. Nobody else wanted to touch it. The owner's father built this like 15 years ago. They asked us if we could get it up and running, get it fixed, get it ready, roadworthy again, and we said yes. So here we are. Took it for the first test drive today. 55 miles an hour on this thing. It is wild. Every single person we drove past, I had someone following me just in case something happened. Every single person would stop and look at this thing. It is by far the most unique vehicle that we've ever worked on. So, like I said, it's got a 49 Ford flathead V8 in it. It's got a Chevy Turbo 350 transmission. This thing has got reverse, got 3 forward gears. Drives great, shifts great, transmission works fine, engine just hums. It has got pretty much a rebuilt rear center section. This is a Jaguar XJS rear end, fully independent rear end, inboard brakes. Everything back there is new calipers, new rotors. We didn't mess too much with the drive shafts back here. We didn't mess with the coilovers. So, new fluid. This thing was a huge learning curve. We took a bike that nobody ever knew really how it was built. The owner built it himself, him and his buddy, and we had to decipher this thing and figure it out. Brand new Willwood rear master cylinder. We got the front fork system rebuilt by a local guy here. He owns a local motorcycle shop. Came here, tried to rebuild them. Had some stuff in there that he'd never seen before. We had to dig really hard to find some parts to fix this thing. And that front end is smooth now. Feels great. Rebuilt the Willwood calipers. Rebuilt the upper brake system and the handle assembly. I don't know what you call it. I'm not a motorcyclist. I'd call it a master cylinder up there, I guess. But let's take a look at what it looks like when you're sitting on this thing. This is the view. It is almost intimidating. You got a full gauge set, everything except for attack. Sitting on here, you got your shifter right here next to you, doing everything you can not to burn your calves on these heads. It's pretty comfortable, to be honest. So, turn it on, everything works. Got headlights, turn signals, brake lights. Everything's fully functioning. All right, let's fire it up. See what it sounds like. Go for a little spin, shall we? Drive it up to the lift. Bike is on the rack. It's a tough thing to get on here. It stretches the rack out almost all the way. A little helpful hint: when you put something on a rack, you need to shake it. Give a little wiggle. Make sure it's not going anywhere. You can hear my one little lock latch into place. We're not in the business of dropping stuff. Quick little undershot for you. Trying to see how this thing is put together with that little baby main drive shaft. Super cool piece. Really glad that we got to help get it back on the road. That's it for TRIKENSTEIN. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a follow and keep up with some of the other cool stuff we have coming through here at Coastal Speed. I'll catch you guys later.